Hi, my name is Maya Farber.
And my name is Loriana Alston.
Welcome to Tunkhannock Area High School.
Our school is located in the rural areas of northeastern Pennsylvania in a small community.
Today we have put together 4 great segments for you. They include School Duo, Mascot Matchup, All Access, and What Do You Mean?
Our first segment will be School Duo, where 3 of our students will compete in a trivia contest to see who wins the prize.
Welcome to the Tunkhannock High School Trivia Challenge. I'm your host, Caitlin Agar, and here are our 3 contestants for today.
Hi, I'm Jack.
Hi, I'm Zaria.
Hi, I'm Bryce.
Today we're going to find out which one of these contestants will take home the prize today.
2.
The rules are simple. Each question is worth 1 point and any of the contestants can answer. Whoever answers first and correctly gets the point for that round. Whoever has the most points at the end wins. Which U.S. state is largest by area? A, Hawaii, Alaska, Texas, or California?
Alaska.
Yep, you get the first point then. What is the fastest land animal in the world? African lion, gray wolf, peregrine falcon, or cheetah?
Cheetah.
Correct. What does the DC in DC Comics stand for? A, Deep Comics, B, Dark Comics, C, Detective Comics, or D, Danger Comics?
Danger Comics.
A.
Nope.
Detective Comics.
Yep. Animal is on the Porsche logo. A, eagle, B, lion, C, horse, or D, bull?
Horse.
Yep. What is the national animal of Scotland? A, lion, B, unicorn, C, golden eagle, or D, dragon?
Golden Eagle.
It's a unicorn.
Yep. What? Yeah.
What?
I looked that up.
Yeah, it's a unicorn.
Golden eagle is
Actually?
Mexico, I think.
I looked that up on Mr. Christie asked.
It's a unicorn. So great.
A unicorn?
What is the best-selling video game of all time? A, Tetris, B, Super Mario Bros, C, Grand Theft Auto 5, or D, Minecraft?
Super Mario Bros.
Nope.
Minecraft.
Yep.
What?
How many points is a touchdown in football worth? A, 6, B, 10, C, 8, or D, 4?
D.
Nope.
It's 6.
Yep. Who created the telephone? A, Alexander Graham Bell, B, Benjamin Franklin, C, Thomas Edison, or D, Nikola Tesla?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Yep. What is the first released Star Wars movie called? A, Return of the Jedi, B, A New Hope, C, The Rise of Skywalker, or D, The Phantom Menace?
A New Hope.
Correct. And our grand winner is Jack.
Congrats to Jack Wells on winning. Jack Wells is a sophomore here at Tunkhannock Area High School. Jack Wells participated last year but brought home the win this year.
Hey, did you know that the national animal of Scotland is a unicorn?
No way!
Yeah.
Our next segment for you guys is All Access.
All Access is a video showing the inside and outside of our school produced by the drone class here at Tunkhannock Area High School, taught by Mr. Wilson.
proud to be part of Tunkhannock Area High School. You will not find another high school in Northeast PA, Eastern PA, or maybe all of Pennsylvania that has the programs, the student body, and the culture that Tunkhannock Area High School does. Go Tigers!
Thank you to Mr. Wilson and his drum class for that video. That was a really great overview of Tunkhannock Area High School. Here at Tunkhannock, we have very many opportunities and course selections to choose from, including drum class and many more. My favorite class is entrepreneurship. What's yours?
Mine is Accounting 1 with Mr. Keon.
I like that too.
Our next segment will be What Do You Meme, where two students will look and rate memes and tell us their opinions.
Hello and welcome to my segment, which is called What Do You Meme? In this segment, we're gonna go over a few memes, and my contestants here are gonna decide which one is funny for them, and they're also gonna give a little bit of review on the memes too. Meet Devin and Connor. Hello.
Hey.
All right, we have our first meme in the screen. What do you guys think?
I'd say this one's a pretty good meme. There's a lot of relatability to it.
Yeah, and it is pretty funny as well.
Yeah, it's quite funny.
Alright, we have our next one. What do you guys think?
You enter the wrong class. They're all staring at you.
Yeah.
That used to happen to me a lot back in elementary school, but that doesn't really happen to me much anymore now that I know my way around.
Yeah, not anymore. That kind of stuff just kind of faded away.
I'd say there's still a bit of relatability to it, and it's still pretty funny in that regard, but it's not as relevant as it would have been a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
We have our next one.
Oh, yeah. Definitely me when the summer ends. Back to school commercials. Hate those.
There's always a lot of dread when you start seeing those on TV again, because you know that the school year's not far behind.
Yeah, and that summer is ending, which is always bad.
Yeah, it's always a horrible feeling. This meme is pretty relatable. I'd say it's pretty funny as well.
Yeah.
Alright, we have our next one.
Every group project does have these kinds of people.
Yeah, this is usually how it lines up in some regard. It's never evenly distributed.
Never. There's always that one person that just gets most of the workload.
Yeah, this is definitely a relatable one as well.
Alright, what do you guys think?
I really think that the last one was the most relatable because I've had a lot of those experiences when working with group projects.
Personally, I think the third one, which was the back-to-school commercials, is more relatable. I've just always hated seeing those commercials.
Alright, well, thanks for joining me, guys, and I hope you all have a great day.
Those were some really interesting memes.
Thank you to all of our students, staff, and sponsors for helping us with our Reach Teach tour.